So welcome to my web series of subject mobile and wireless communication. This is subject for 5th semester in the diploma electronics and telecommunication branch. So in this web series now chapter number 1 is start, that is wireless communication system. So in this subject, the first chapter we already discussed various points. This is the last topic in the wireless communication system chapter, that is sensor in the mobile phone. So I am Mr. S.S. Asne, lecturer in the electronics and telecommunication department, CSMS, College of Polytechnic, Aurangabad. So start with the sensor. So first question arises about the sensor. What is the definition or what is meant by sensor? So sensor is also called as detector. So sensor means it is convert the physical quantity it into the signal, which can be read by instrument or by an observer. Means sensor is a conversion by an instrument by an observer. So this is a simple definition of the sensors. Sensor detects or respond to specific type of input such as light, heat, motion, pressure, moisture, etc. So this is the physical quantities. As per required, specific type can be convert the sensor from the physical environment. So the output of sensor is generally in the form of signal, which is converted to human readable display, or a signal are electronically transmit over the network. So that form sensor can convert the output signal. It is human readable or electronically signal can be transferred over the network. So that is the function of sensor. Sensor convert this physical quantity into human readable form. The next subtopics in the sensor, that is motion sensor. Motion sensor also called as a motion detectors. So what is mean by motion sensor? So motion is a change in the position with respect to time and its reference point. So this is a motion. Motion is a change in the position with respect to time and its reference point. And motion sensor are used to sense any kind of motion. That means the motion of any object or motion of human body can be detected using a motion sensor. So there are various type of sensor or detector in the mobile phone unit. There are several types. So one by one we see. First of all, see this list: accelerometer, gyroscope, magnetometer / digital compass, GPS, that is global positioning system, proximity sensor, light sensor, microphone, then touch screen sensor, fingerprint sensor, pedometer, barcode sensor, barometer, heart rate sensor, thermometer, and cameras. So these are the total 15 sensor are in the mobile phone. So one by one we discuss about that sensor. That is first accelerometer. This sensor detect the vibration, acceleration, dilate to determine the orientation or movement of mobile phone. Accelerometer determine the mainly orientation and vibration, whether it is prototype or landscape. The sensor use is a accelerometer, or also it determine how fast your phone is moving in any direction, that is linear direction can be determined using the accelerometer. The next is a gyroscope sensor. What is the function or what is the role of gyroscope? So gyroscope, this sensor provides the direction of mobile like up, down, left, right or orientation detail of phone with more accuracy of the device about how much it is tilted. So main the movement or a direction can be find out up or down, right, left or right and orientation detail. More accuracy with the accelerometer. The next function, it can be measure the angular rotational velocity of mobile phone to determine in which direction phone is pointed. Gyroscope is used. So this is the function to find the direction of point. The next sensor, that is magnetometer or digital compass. The measure the strength and direction of magnetic field in magnetometer is used. So in the mobile phone compass is used which point at the north pole of planet, that can be determined using the digital compass or magnetometer. Also it find to absolute direction. When you will open the Apple Maps or Google Maps, the magnetometer will determine in which way maps should be. So direction can be provided whether the sensor can determine the direction using the magnetometer. Then GPS, we already use this in the maps for direction purpose. So GPS, that is global positioning system to obtain the precise location on the earth. GPS in the mobile phone will be communicate with the satellite. GPS is useful in all locations based on apps such as Uber, Ola, Google Maps. In that apps we use a global positioning system. So we can search our location on a map even after losing the signal, but to load the detail map will become a blurry itself. So to find the location we use a GPS sensor. Then proximity sensor. Proximity sensor means it a combination of infra LED and IR light detector as are included in the proximity sensor, which is used to find how close phone is with the outside object. So what is the distance between the object and you can be find out using the proximity sensor. The next use of the sensor is making the calls or when the phone is attached to face to make or receive the call. In this case, sensor detect it and it disable the screen display to avoid the unwanted input with the skin. So that type of function can be done using the proximity sensor. Then next sensor is a light sensor. To adjust the display brightness, light sensor detect the level of lighting in this area. So next use of this sensor is adjusting the brightness of display with the saving the battery power. So this is the next function. Its battery saving mode can be detected using a light sensor. The next light sensor is made up of photocell which detect the light which is present in the environment. So this is possible dark room where the light will be minimum. So that type of changes can be happen in mobile phone using the light sensor. Then the part 1 lecture we see only this type of sensor, that is last sensor in the part 1 lecture is microphone or oblique speaker. So this is basically sound sensor which measure the and detect the loudness of the sound. Sound sensor are used in the voice search, voice command also. A small sound driver fitted within a mobile phone is called as a loudspeaker. So that purpose, simply microphones or speaker are used for to sense or detect the loudness of sound. In the next part, we see other sensor